Can you build a fence on any type of ground? Short answer, yes. But how you build it makes all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the challenges of building fences on different types of ground, so your next project doesn't collapse, lean, or rot away. Let's start with soft soil. This is the easiest to work with. Dig at least 1/3 of the post's height, add gravel for drainage, and set it in concrete. Rocky ground might be hard to dig, but it's not impossible. Use a jackhammer or rock bar or drill into the rock and set anchors with epoxy or cement. Clay soil holds water, which can push your posts around. Add gravel for drainage, dig a bit deeper, and consider using treated wood or metal posts. Sand doesn't hold posts well. You'll need wider holes, more concrete, and deeper footings to keep the fence upright. If your yard is on a slope, go with stepped fencing or use racked panels that follow the terrain. Just make sure your posts are still perfectly vertical. Not sure what kind of ground you're working with? Or just want the job done right the first time? CAAN Fence has you covered, whether it's rocky, sandy, sloped, or soaked. Visit us at CAANFence.com or call 781-767-3596 to get started today.